Goa, now they have started coming to see the beauty. In fact, Honorable Minister Ajay Kamkaji visited some of the villages. He expressed to me that Goa is really done well. You have developed iconic villages. They are not big models, just concretized and kept. But they are iconic models, which people will go back with sweet memories. They take selfies. There was a rush on Atal Setu when it was inaugurated. And I am sure in other villages also, when people come here, even this Porvorim Flyover, which we are trying to complete with all the difficulties, in spite of all the difficulties. As Mr. Vishal Pandey said, 70 to 75,000 ply on that road. How difficult it is to work under such circumstances, only the contractor and engineers know. But in spite of all the difficulties, we have personally monitored, we have had many meetings, Chief Minister and myself, we have held many meetings with them, and we saw to it that the bridge is completed on the eve of Ganesh Chaturthi. That is the commitment of this government